Hi everyone, in this video we're going to go over Leetcode, robot return to origin question. Major tech companies like Facebook, Microsoft, Google, etc. are asking this question while they're conducting their technical interviews. I hope you will find this video tutorial helpful for your technical interview preparation. Let's start with reading the question. There is a robot starting at position 0, 0, the origin, on a 2D plane. Given a sequence of its moves, judge if this robot ends up at 0 and 0 after it completes its moves. The move sequence is represented by a string and the character moves I represents its ith move. Valid moves are right, left, up, down. If the robot returns to the origin after it finishes all of its moves, return true, otherwise return false. The way that robot is facing is irrelevant. R will always make the robot move to the right once, L will always make it move left, etc. Also assume that the magnitude of the robot's movement is the same for each move. Example 1. UD, true. The robot moves up once, then down once. All moves have the same magnitude, so it ended up at the origin where it started. Therefore, we return true. LL false. The robot moves left twice. It ends up 2 moves to the left of the origin. We return false because it is not at the original at the end of its moves. So this is one of the most stupid questions on Leetcode because it is a super simple question, but it's so difficult to understand from the description of the question. Therefore, there are too many dislikes here. So I will try to explain what this is trying to say. Usually you will see this if you work on drone engineering or robots, etc. You usually work on 2D planes like this, grid, or 3D planes. And in the grid you implement different algorithms, pathfinding algorithms, etc. So this is trying to say, when it's talking about magnitude, etc. So it's kind of make you get ready for this. But altogether, basically what it's trying to say is we have a robot that goes right or down or up and left. And it will, the question will give us a couple of strings, like, let's see this, UD, L, UD, LR. So LR, yeah. So each of these character represents a move of the robot. For example, up, down, left, right. So this is our robot, and it's going up, then down, back to where it is, left and right, back to where it is again. So this is all about it. Like, we need to split this string into character array and check each of the character where it's representing and trying to find robot's position and trying to find the moves if it's changed its position at all or moved. So that's all there is to it for this question. So what we need to do is we are given a judge circle string moves. Moves is the characters we have. So what we need to do is we need to go through the character array, moves to character array, and create each character, split each character out of this character array, then put it inside a switch case statement. If our these are the cases UD, RL, UD, LR, etc. If it's U, then we have two integers here, sorry. If it's U, that means we are going upwards, so increment vertical. If it's going down, decrement vertical. If it's going right, increment horizontal. If it's going left, decrement horizontal. So if it's going equal number of right and equal number of left, etc., these should return 0 in the end. If it's going, for example, we have two rights. Let's see something like this: right, 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 left, 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 down, 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 up, up, up. This is the given string. So what we're going to do is, this is our robot: one right, one right, one right, then one left, one left, one left, back to where it is. Then down, 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 up, up, up. It's again where it is. So every move will either increment or decrement v and h, vertical and horizontal one. So if it's up, we are incrementing vertical one. If it's down, we are decrementing vertical integer. If it's right, we are incrementing horizontal and decrementing horizontal if it's left. So we return either of them is true or not. So if they're both true, then we return true, and otherwise false. So that's all there is to it for this question. Let's see this in the code. Where it says all, just pay attention, where it says all this magnitude, etc., is because it's kind of getting you ready for the, like, maybe better difficult questions in robots, etc., or like drones or other pathfinding algorithms. So I think this is the reason why they made it so complex, this question so complex. So let's submit this and see. So the question is super simple, but trying to understand is difficult. So this is the result. So it works. I hope you find this video tutorial helpful, and I have more videos coming up. So if you subscribe to my channel, we can meet again in the near future. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.